Hello and welcome to the video. My name is Judd Albring, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about, is ClickFunnels a scam? No, no it is not, and is the farthest thing from it, but people do look for that, and I understand that. There's a lot of businesses that people need to be aware, weary of, but ClickFunnels is the farthest thing from being a scam. ClickFunnels was founded by Russell Brunson and co-founder Todd Dickerson. So Russell is kind of the marketing genius behind it all, and Todd is the developer side. So together, these guys teamed up and created this company. I'm going to say at the time of this recording, about 4 to 5 years ago, and it was designed because Russell was building funnels on his own and paying people to build the funnels for him, and he was spending 10, 20 grand to build a website, build a funnel to try and sell products. So he's been selling and working in the online business for 15 years now. So he knows his stuff. He has people that, like Grant Cardone and Robert Kiyosaki and Tony Robbins that use his funnels and hire him for his funnels. So you're talking about a very legit product, a very legit group of people to work with, work behind. So I'm going to send you a link, guys. You can check out everything about ClickFunnels. What is ClickFunnels? You can hear from Russell himself. You can see here there's over 89,000 users, 865 million contacts. They processed 3.5 billion in sales. Over 5 million funnels have been built. This is a product by entrepreneurs, for entrepreneurs, and it's really about getting your products and your message out to the world. I recently came back from Funnel Hacking Live, which is the funnel hacking event that they hold every year in Tennessee, and you have people from all walks of life building funnels and growing their businesses. So also, I'll put a link below, guys, for a 14-day free trial. You can check it out yourself, make the call. I recommend getting involved with the community, join the Facebook group, see what it's all about. I've been using ClickFunnels for 3 years. I use it to run my business. I'm also an affiliate for them, and it's definitely a life changer. And it's a super easy software to use, drag and drop. Anybody can do it, and it's just super powerful. And it's really taking over the way things are being done online, the way people are marketing and selling. The website more and more is becoming just a glorified brochure. People are using funnels to sell their products or services, to host webinars, to do membership sites, trainings, everything. So check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.